Hello students, welcome back to eLearning Edu. In today's class, we will be learning the most basic thing about the periodic table. And as you all know that the periodic table is differentiated into different blocks like S block, P block, D block as well as the F block. And we will be finding the method or the easiest and the most convenient method to find this block in the periodic table, that is this S block, F block, D block as well as the P block. And you know that the last electron, that is which is known as differentiating electron, will determine the block in which the electrons are present. Now let us see how to determine the block in the periodic table. So this last electron, you know that last electron here, last electron has entered to the S shell in this case, and here also the last electron has entered to our S shell. So it will belong to, we can directly say that this both belong to the S block, that is they are S block element. So we can say that this last element, that is the last, this electron is known as the differentiating electron. Differentiating electron, and they determine the block, that is whether if this electron belongs to S block, that is S subshell, then it is known as S block element. Let us consider few more example. For example, let us take boron, and you know that the boron atomic number is 5. So we can write 1s2, 2 electron, 2s2 4, next comes 2p 1, 4 5. So since it belongs to P block, that is last electron enters to the P block or the P subshell, we can say it as the P block element. Now see carbon, atomic number of carbon is 6. So 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. And again it enters to, that is again it enters to the P subshell. So here it belongs to P block. That is the last electron or the differentiating electron determines the block, that is to which block the element belongs to. And here as we have learned, that is since this electron enters to the P subshell, they belong to the P block. Here since they enters to the S subshell, they belong to the S block. So we can differentiate by looking out the last electron, we can differentiate to which block they belongs to. Yeah, this is the thing.